February 2nd, Candlemas.
The second day of February
is the feast of the presentation of the child Jesus in the temple. It is also known as the feast of the purification of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Its popular name is Candlemas.
The law of Moses commanded that the firstborn male child
should be offered to God in thanksgiving for the sparing of the Israelites during the Passover in Egypt.
The
The law also prescribed that on the 40th day after the birth of the child, a mother should offer a sacrifice of purification from legal stain.
This
This
feast
feast commemorates the day that Mary and Joseph brought Jesus to the temple in Jerusalem to present him to the Lord. They made the offering of the poor, a pair of turtle doves.
At
At that time, there was a just and God-fearing man named Simeon in the temple,
who
who
recognized
recognized the infant Jesus as the Messiah,
Messiah,
and taking him in his arms, declared him to be the Savior, the light of the Gentiles and the glory of Israel.
On
On
this feast day,
candles are blessed and carried in procession with appropriate prayers and ceremonies.
The
The
blessed
blessed
beeswax
candles
candles
symbolize the humanity which God the Son assumed,
and
and
signify that Christ is the true light of the world.
They also represent the ardent faith, hope, and charity with which Christians should follow Christ by humble obedience to the gospel and imitation of his virtues. Blessed candles are used at Mass and at the administration of all the sacraments except penance, as well as in imparting blessings, in processions, and in other liturgical ceremonies.
There
There should be at least two blessed
candles
candles
in every Catholic home
for use when the sacraments are administered to the sick, and at times of any special danger, blessing, or family devotion.
Media.
We celebrate both the joy of his coming and his searching judgment, looking back to the day of his birth and forward to the coming days of his passion. Days ago, we celebrated the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. Now we recall the day on which he was presented in the temple, when he was offered to the Father and shown to his people. As a sign of his coming among us, his mother was purified as we now come to him for cleansing.
So in the passage today, a brief account is given telling us why Mary, Joseph and Jesus are here in God's temple. But something deeper and more engaging is afoot than a devout family looking to participate in an ancient religious ceremony.
It was a medieval church that they known as Candlemas, because it was traditional candle procession, recalling the words of Simeon, a light to light Gentiles.
In their old age, Simeon and Anna recognized him as their Lord, as we today sing of his glory.
Simeon is brought to the moment when he takes Jesus into his arms and looks directly into the face of God.
Simeon was a righteous and devout man. He knew what the scripture said. He could fear meeting Jesus. T.S. Eliot puts words into Simeon's mouth. My life is not waiting for the death point. Like a feather of dust inside the memory course, waiting for the wind to chills towards the dead back.
So in closing, Candlemas is a holy holiday for blessed purification.